What a wonderful performance by our keyboard playing team. Let's give them a huge round of applause. With great respect, I invite Principal Shilpa Ahire ma'am to present the annual report. Ma'am, we request you to please share achievements and milestones of this year.
Jai Hind. A very good evening to everyone. Our chief guest for today, Dr. Praveen Gedam, sir, he will be actually joining us a bit late due to some kind of election duties. So I would begin with my report. Dear parents, learning leaders, teachers, and my beloved students. Today, as I stand before you, I am reminded of a small seed that was planted years ago, in the year 2013. A seed full of hope, dreams, and possibilities. This seed was our school, which is flourishing with its 4 branches, Anandam, Jigyasa, Chetna, and Samarpan. Like every seed, it needed sunlight, parental trust, water, our teachers' dedication, and soil, our students' enthusiasm. Our school's vision, mission, and motto reflects these elements. Over time, this tiny seed has grown into a strong, flourishing tree whose branches now extend wide, providing shade, support, and inspiration to many young minds. Every school year at DPS is a katha, a story of challenges, efforts, victories, and transformations. A story woven with dreams, efforts, and reflection. Many of you must be wondering, why not katha this year? So we don't have katha as an event, but we do have katha each day and every year. This year, our story began with a mirror, the Trinetra feedback shared by you all. Like a torch bearer, it showed us where we stood and where we could reach. These insights became the guiding light of our journey. Across academics, co-curriculars, sports, administrations, and more, each wing of our school worked with a purpose. Strengthening teaching, enriching activities, supporting students, and raising our students step by step. Today's presentation shares the journey, the insights we gained from Trinetra, the actions we took, and how these efforts transformed learning and outcomes across the school. And as every story comes full circle, we conclude with the latest Trinetra feedback, a reflection of how far we have grown together as a school that listens and evolves with its community. With pride and gratitude, I present the annual report, a living story of reflection, effort, and transformation. Let us now turn the pages of this beautiful journey.
At Delhi Public School, Nasik, we believe that rigor builds results. This year, our students once again demonstrated exceptional academic excellence, carrying forward the legacy of our illustrious alumni. Our former students continue to shine across the world, from chartered accountants, doctors, engineers, and architects, to criminologists, data scientists, software engineers, interior designers, pilots, and scholars pursuing higher studies at IITs, BITS, JJ Hospital, KEM, and other prestigious global universities. Their journeys stand as a testament to the strong foundation laid at Delhi Public School, Nasik, a foundation built on discipline, hard work, and purpose-driven learning. The academic year witnessed outstanding performances in board examinations, asset assessments, and our in-house programs, IgniteX, Photon, and Pulse. Smart preparation and strong results have been the hallmark of these initiatives, pushing our students to learn deeper, faster, and smarter. We celebrated our young authors through the Write a Book initiative, strengthened reading habits through our bespoke library and Anandam sessions, nurtured curiosity through hands-on nature-based learning experiences. Forest school experiences, Montessori practices, and inquiry based explorations opened new doors for learning. We continue to believe that curiosity is the spark that lights the path to understanding. We also work closely with our parent community, guiding them with effective strategies to support their children's learning journey at home. Teachers are the building blocks of our institution. This year, our faculty engaged in extensive professional training through HRDC, CBSE, and expert led programs. Workshops in foundational numeracy, emergent literacy, AI integration, psychology, climate studies, competency based assessments, curriculum development, and innovative pedagogy enriched classroom practices and strengthened our academic environment. We ensure that learning goes far beyond textbooks. Our environmental initiatives, the Green Ball, Ghantagadi Awareness Song, the Zero Hunger Program, and projects aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals help students understand their responsibility in creating a better tomorrow. We are proud to share that Delhi Public School Nasik has earned the Climate Action School certificate for the fourth consecutive year and has been honored with the Sustainability Superstar Award. EcoBricks, Har Ghar Neem, clothing donation drives, tinkering labs, and entrepreneurship projects further empowered students to lead with purpose and compassion. Global connections remain strong through virtual collaborations with Russia, Japan, Morocco, Ghana, NASA's ECCP camp, and more than 200 schools worldwide. The Inspire author visits enriched literacy exposure and connected our young readers with celebrated writers. Through all these initiatives, our students proved that small actions create big change. Character building remained at the heart of our curriculum through Samurja, Samitra, and Seva Bhav programs. These initiatives nurtured resilience, empathy, teamwork, and community service, qualities that shape responsible, grounded, and compassionate human beings. Through Trinetra feedback and structured reflection cycles, students learned to pause, think, and improve. We believe that reflection helps us move ahead flawlessly, empowering our learners to take ownership of their academic and personal growth. This year was marked by remarkable achievements through scholastic and co-scholastic domains, including science Olympiads, the Medan quiz, and multiple academic competitions. Our students brought laurels at the district, division, state, national, and international levels in lawn tennis, skating, basketball, swimming, Kathak, table tennis, karate, tabla, Olympiads, logic quiz, and many more. Each achievement is a celebration of passion, persistence, and discipline. These accomplishments continue to elevate DPS Nasik's reputation as a school committed to excellence in every dimension: academics, arts, sports, and character.
As we step into the concluding moments of this year's story, we realize that every chapter, every effort, and every improvement you have seen in this presentation leads us to one powerful thought. How can we give our children even better support, better time, and better care? Our board results speak for themselves, assuring us that we are on the right path. Our toppers have shown that the harvest of success we reap today is the result of years of dedication. And this excellence is not new. This year too, we are confident of achieving a hat trick, another CT topper from our school. But we knew we could do even more. Our students have immense potential and they deserve every opportunity to rise higher. With this belief, we are proud to introduce IgniteX, an AI-based personalized learning program that goes beyond academics. IgniteX nurtures confidence, creativity, and future-ready competencies through modules such as TED-style speaking, public speaking, coding, write a book, and financial literacy, ensuring every deep side grows in both competence and character. From the academic year 2026-27, Pulse batch will begin in grade 7, empowering learners early with the skills and mindset they need for the future. To further strengthen academic excellence, we have introduced Pulse for grade 8 to 10, Photon for grades 11th and 12th, offering structured and progressive academic support as students advance to higher learning. Pulse and Photon are known for smart preparation and exceptional outcomes. These batches focus on building a strong foundation for competitive exams through expert design syllabi, additional study support, and specialized mentoring in core subjects like mathematics and science. After every Pulse Photon test, students receive detailed reports and personalized data to help them refine their preparation with clarity and purpose. In Pulse, along with NCRT learning, we ensure that the foundation is fully strengthened. In Photon, our students are guided by full-time mentors, expert IITians, who walk with them through every step of their preparation. I am delighted to share that the entrance tests for the upcoming grade 7 and 8 Pulse batches have received an overwhelming response from our students and parents. This reflects the trust our community places in our academic vision and the commitment of nurturing excellence at every stage. I am also pleased to announce that admissions for next year's IgniteX program are now open. This personalized, future-ready learning pathway continues to empower deep sides with advanced skills and holistic growth opportunities. Parents may visit the school website for complete details and registration. And while we celebrate academic excellence, our deep sides are soaring high in the world of sports. Fencing, football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, swimming, cricket, every sport mentored at DPS now shines at the CBSE national level. At Anandam, learning blossoms through joy, creativity, and meaningful experiences that help children discover the delight of understanding. In our Jigyasa, curiosity leads the way as students dive deeper, explore, and develop a strong spirit of inquiry. Through Chetna, we nurture confidence and character, guiding students to realize their strengths. And in Samarpan, we stand proudly behind our young achievers, supporting them at every step. These successes reaffirmed a powerful realization. When academics and sports grow together, we can give our children the very best. And with that thought, today marks the beginning of a new chapter. Just as a tree grows stronger when its roots are held gently and firmly, our students too flourish when they receive consistent guidance, a supportive environment, and time that is truly theirs. With this vision, I'm happy to share that the school is now opening a new boys' hostel, a home within the campus, where learning will not end with the last bell, and where every child will have more time, more mentorship, and more opportunities to grow. This hostel is not just a building, it's a promise that we will walk with our students a little longer each day, help them shape their habits, enrich their studies, and nurture their talents beyond classroom hours. I would also like to mention about the weekly boarding facility that will be available at our hostel. It is our hope that this new beginning will strengthen the bond between students and school. and help us guide them closely, academically, emotionally, and personally. As we close this year's journey and prepare to open the next, may this new chapter bring even greater growth, discipline, and empowerment to every child who becomes part of this extended family. Thank you for being part of this story and for trusting us with your child's future. Thank you.